Guys, welcome to class. I'm happy you're here. Today's a fun day. We're going to use the app that we used on Monday. We're going to use it again today, so it'll be really fun. I hope you did bring your phones today. I normally don't say that, so embrace this. Okay, today we will be reviewing the vocabulary you received on Monday, and that vocabulary was about transportation. You know, cars, airplanes, boats. Okay. So we'll be reviewing that for your warm-up. We have a quiz on Friday, so please have that in mind. So we're going to work on that vocabulary today to really emphasize what each of those words means and how we can remember them. Okay, so for our warm-up, I'm going to split you up in pairs or just meet with people next to you. Pull up the English flashcards app and pull up the transportation vocabulary. Please complete the matching activity. I'll give you about 5 minutes or so to complete that activity. If you do find that you're struggling, please write down those words that you need help with, okay? I need you to do that activity and then we'll reconvene in a minute, okay? So, go for it. Okay, now that you've had time to do that warm-up, assuming that was enough time, I want to introduce to you a new thing that we're going to be doing. I hope this is an activity that will help you remember. I hope it'll help you remember what these words are and what they mean when we get vocabulary each week. So our first step here is open the email that I sent you with a link, and you can trust this link. It's with Google Docs. We're going to be using Google Docs to share sentences with the class. So for the next minute, I'm going to just show you how this is done using my phone because some of you don't have your computer. So I'll just show you from my phone how to do this. So I opened up my email, which I had just already here on my phone. I opened up the email with the link. Now, it's going to look like this. Hold on, the screen's too bright, sorry. It's going to look like this. Okay, so I really need you to press open in Docs, that blue tab. It'll take you to the Google Docs that we will be contributing to as a class. So the first thing is to see the vocabulary words. Let me zoom in here for you. There are 5 vocabulary words I already put in here for you that we know. We've been studying these since Monday, okay? So the first one is bicycle. Each of us will be writing a sentence for each word. The sentence must contain the vocabulary word and the context clues to help us know what the word means. So for bicycle, I wrote, and you can refer to this in the email, okay? I rode my bicycle to school this morning so I could race in the triathlon this afternoon. I had the vocabulary word and the context clues. What are the context clues in here? Race and triathlon, right? In a triathlon, you're running, swimming, and biking. The only transportation you need really are you and the bicycle. And our vocabulary words, we don't have you anywhere. So bicycle is the word we're looking for. Now we have boat, bus, car, and helicopter. Each of us, let's write a sentence for one of them. Choose one and write a sentence with the vocabulary word as well as context clues. Okay, and I want us to just see how it works when we write on Google Docs. If I write and if Mary is writing also, it'll show up as she's typing. So it's a really cool thing. We can all be on the same document at the same time. Now, let's just take a minute to do that really fast, okay? So go ahead and write a sentence for one other word. Okay, that was probably enough time. Now, it shows here for me that Mary wrote a sentence for boat. And what she wrote is, this weekend I went with my uncle to the lake on his boat. Okay, she kept the word in the sentence with a context clue. And what was the context clue? The lake. Okay, perfect. At the moment, I think that's fine. I think it's simple, it's short, sweet, to the point. That's great. We don't want anything too complicated, okay? We just need enough that we know what we're talking about. Okay, we are going to spend the next little bit of time here to do this activity. Write a sentence for each vocabulary word, okay? This is not only a grade, but it will help you prepare for the quiz that we're having on Friday. I will probably choose some of your sentences for the quiz on Friday, so don't be afraid to really read through each of these sentences that your friends write for you. I might like them and use them. So now I've split up the class, so this side of the room was going to do the first 5 and so on and so forth. So we don't have like 20 sentences per vocabulary word, but you get the idea. Go ahead and just write sentences for the vocabulary words that you've been given, and we'll share some and see how they look. And yeah, good luck, you guys. Just remember, this is preparation for your assessment. This Google Docs you will always have access to, so definitely look over it for your assessment. Okay, thanks guys. Good luck.